Hi there, this is Scott. At Scott Trades on Twitter and in the trading room at stockmarketmentor.com. This is your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Console Energy. This is ticker CEIX. Now, the interesting thing about this is a coal stock, and coal stocks were huge in 2022. They had a massive run, and this is just one example. January, February of 2022 to around, now let's go to the end of the year, December. It's up 280 plus %. And since then has pulled back. I'll give you a nice big pullback here, but it's really just been consolidating, and you can see this cup formation, and it just recently broke above this cup and printed a new high the other day. Now, this is interesting to me because this is one of those stocks that went up because the price of everything was going up. The price of commodities were going up, and inflation was going up. Well, this stock has been bucking the trend because recently, as we know, the SPY has been going down, the Qs have been going down, but CEIX has been going up. And so I definitely think this is a stock we should be paying attention to because it's one that is showing a lot of relative strength and a relatively crappy market, let's be honest. So definitely want to keep an eye on this. I think it's a bit extended here above that 8-day, but if you get an opportunity to buy a bounce off the 8-day or the 21-day, I definitely think that could be actionable. So I just want to keep this one on my watch list and definitely add it to yours as a stock that is showing a lot of strength in a bad market. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and check out what we're up to over at stockmarketmentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.